In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet on your Squarespace website. First, open Google Sheets and navigate to the specific spreadsheet you want to display on your site. Make sure it's the exact sheet you're ready to share and double check that it doesn't include any private or sensitive information. When you're set, go to the File menu at the top. From there, choose Share and then look for the option to publish or share to the public web. This step makes the sheet viewable to anyone who can access it through your site, so it's perfect for price lists, schedules, or dashboards that need to stay updated. In the publishing window, select Embed. This tells Google that you want a version of the sheet that can be placed directly into a web page. Click Publish, confirm by clicking OK if prompted, and give it a moment to process. You'll see a link appear once it's ready. Copy that link. If you ever update the data in Google Sheets later, those changes will flow through automatically, which is a big time saver. Now head over to Squarespace and open the website where you want the sheet to appear. Enter the page editor and go to the spot where you want to place the sheet. Click Add a section, then choose Add a blank section so you have a clean canvas. Wait for the editor to load the new section. Next, add a code block to that section. If you see a pen icon or editor icon, click it to open the code editor. Paste the link you copied from Google Sheets into the code editor. Depending on your Squarespace template and how Google formatted the published link, the platform may render it as an embedded view. If you find it appears as a simple link, that typically means it's still connected correctly and your visitors can click through to view the live sheet. The key is that you've published the sheet to the web and placed that published link in the code block so the content stays in sync with Google. Give the page a moment to refresh the preview. You should now see your Google Sheet accessible from your Squarespace page, reflecting the most recent data. If you ever need to switch to a different sheet, repeat the same process in Google Sheets to publish and copy the new link, then replace it in your Squarespace code block. That's it. Your live Google Sheet is now linked and ready for your audience.